Hello, welcome friends. Today we are going to learn how to delete blog account. Here I'm signing to my blog account and I want to delete this blog. It's not necessary today. So I'm going to create new blog. So here you can see this is a panel. Click on the settings, and this is a 2020 version, so you need to scroll down. Okay. And these options you can see manage block, manage your block. So this is very, so you can clearly see this is a manage block, and here this is a remove block and delete. Click on delete, and after this two options, permanently delete and delete. So I'm going to permanently delete this block. So boom, this is delete another time, and so this block is delete. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. If you really like this video, please give me a thumbs up for inspirations. Thank you very much.